Chapter 5 Rocks and Minerals. Subtopic Igneous Rocks and its types. Answer the following. What kind of rocks are formed during a volcanic eruption? Answer. Igneous rocks are formed during a volcanic eruption. Where is magma found? Answer. Magma is found in the region deep below the Earth's surface where it is extremely hot. What is lava? Answer. The magma made up of molten rocks reaches the surface of the earth. It is called lava. What happens when magma cools? Answer. The magma cools down. It forms a particular type of rock called igneous rock. Name the types of igneous rocks. Answer. The different types of igneous rocks are obsidian, basalt, pumice, granite. How are igneous rocks formed? Answer. The region deep below the Earth's surface is extremely hot. It is filled with semi-solid liquid called magma, which is made up of molten rocks. At times, the hot magma from deep below the Earth rises to the Earth's great force. This causes a volcanic eruption. Magma reaches the surface of the earth. It is called lava. The lava cools to form rocks called igneous rocks. Example: obsidian, pumice, granite, basalt. From which sedimentary rocks is marble formed? Answer. Limestone is the sedimentary rocks from which marble is formed. How are sedimentary rocks formed? Name the different types of sedimentary rocks. Answer. Sedimentary rocks formed by the repeated deposition of rock particles that are worn away from mountains by wind and water. The different types of sedimentary rocks are sandstone, quagmiter, shale, limestone. How is a metamorphic rock formed? Name the different types of metamorphic rocks. Answer. At times, igneous or sedimentary rocks get pushed deep into the earth. The weight of the earth above them and the heat inside the earth changes these into metamorphic rocks. This is a very slow process and it takes millions of years to form. The different types of metamorphic rocks are: example, marble, quartz, gneiss, slate. What are minerals? Name the two types of minerals with example. Answer. Minerals are natural, non-living substances formed on or below the Earth's surface, which is solid and in the form of crystals. The two types of minerals are metallic minerals, example copper, gold, bauxite. Non-metallic minerals, example coal and petroleum. Is coal, which is formed from wood, a mineral? Why? Answer. No, because coal is made from remaining of living matter. Why does pumice float on water? Answer. Pumice is very light. During its formation, gases are trapped inside it, due to which pumice has many tiny holes in it. That is why it floats on water. Describe the various uses of rocks and minerals. Uses of rocks are: rocks are used in building materials for making schools, houses, roads, and bridges. Some rocks are used in their original form, while some are used to make brick, cements, tar, and concrete. For example, granite, limestone, and marble. Rocks gives us useful metals like iron, copper, aluminium, used for making utensils, and precious metals like gold, platinum are used for making jewelry. Rocks are used as gemstone. For example, diamond, ruby, spear, opal, topaz, and emerald are used for making jewelry. Uses of minerals. Minerals like sulfates and nitrates are used as fertilizers because they help the plant to grow. Minerals are a very important part of our diet. For examples, minerals like calcium, sodium, and iron are required for the health functioning of our body. Keywords: igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic, magma, volcano, obsidian, pumice, basalt, granite, conglomerate, quartz, crystals, ores, minings, gemstones. Choose the correct option and tick the correct option. Which of these sentences is not true for minerals? They are made from living things such as plants. Which of these is not true for gemstone? They are part of rocks. What is an igneous rock? A rock that is formed when lava cool. Where are metamorphic rocks formed? Deep inside the earth. What is an ore? A rock with metals and unwanted substances. Tick the true statements and cross the false one. The region deep below the earth's surface is extremely hot. Obsidian is a glass-like sedimentary rock and has sharp edges. False. The only rock that floats on water is pumice. True. Quartz is formed from limestone. False. Minerals are man-made substances manufactured in factories. False. Magma is mostly melted metals. False.